Nasa wala po ako. Isa. Diam. Hey, Nalan. Katuta ka magsangki. Katuwanin ka para bisa. Kaliang. Hey. Hey. Kung nagpenda pa, nagtiyot na kubusang pin, kapag isa pang iso. Wanita, kapansa. Kaliang. Kung isa puwente yan. Hey, pasok. Ano to? Ito takapit sangki sa puwensa. Atin sa kota, nansaw. Hanap ka. Sa kota mo ito. Hey, duduk. Siarang ang kapusin. Yang boy, Yani, motoran na, ang patuwag po lang na. Yes, Una yung mga patrola o paatas sa pagpapay program yung mga sukses. Mga regional secretary wa o katulad ng Prince of Transport Elias pwede sa pagpapapol. Pwede ulat. Dapat kahit kung kalat o eminent child parus ang sukses. Regional sa karadaan kapim na paan kubren iso natin ang buhay net pagyawan wawn ki dapalap dugoto ka paros o korosya berpace sabun masail tiyanan wat nan sabun masail kayong program ayay kaiban torong na ang goal mabansang kunain Queen Bulabul and Sabuat. Ang suksot kay pan katsyangan sa karata and hatu. O iban patuan duga sa pulmatay tikan tenosu. Iban patuan pa takupur ay kano sa kare nila main ko nila komkatin kupura wan tatoken minimum pana Wayne Everson ng Pohnpei Wayne Satan wa ken password opel agonwat komkatin kasarawyala ken paset o sapulem koros me anan turor pan tatong kitchen password ni maran sapul mamiyaras at kaun
Samat nalap marong yung raus
Kalangan ko unahan ang success sa ibang katsyangan welcome to March o nan program tinangay na pang patuan William Dictay nan Sakarata. Ari amo na ibang patuan Sakarata. Iban puren sa sabali tungkol Sakarataan balap tan puren sunan ken patuan waun ki sabul matay katnan wing Pohnpei. Wa turor tintoga sabul matay ambassador and Wayne sa government in Japan. His Excellency Ambassador Warren Road and Nanmadol. Kalangan. Pasyamat Dior. Civilman Wawoten Piltoga Sabul Matay Obis Lapen Tusem Yay Robert Pil Paduan Wawan Ki Tikan Tenosu Wawan Ki Keri Room Wautoror and Piltoga Sabul Matay Legislature and the Pilihan Patan Katiang Rawat Napalaptaykan Local Chief Executive kan Mabiliang Patan Irail kan Mabil Tone School kan o Korusia Mahal Kubra Istuka Pangata Lang kan title kan at HML Sakarataan Wapan Promay. Isoko Pesan sa lansok siya Yes, lukotokan mayang patro pan kubur o Iban Patuan Walyanti Sabul Matay Obis and Pohnpei Consumer Organization o Duke Koros ng Sabul Matay Program ng Rangol. So, kailangan ng Puranisyo ko pwede at kasi nabutin o kasi maleti, mal ranwat kan Sabul Magkausap Sarabak. kalangan ng kuburan ni Soko. Pagdating kuburan di buti na ramasyo. Dahil pakcocokin manugnog ng pelian ng nan kausa na kan nanubis nan momotso nan siya kalian siya karena at cumal makit Joko abangkin pok sudah bang tua cek nagchay tingkap bahasa ni kagawan nausap nawewagi matay hari saban uyaw na atkan koros and tingkap yang kemarin pesen yang tay dignitaries, friends, families, on behalf of PhonePe Consumer Organization, it is my pleasure welcome to each and every one of you. We are very happy to see you with us today. Thank you so much. Ato gozaimasu. Ngan sabon macay program di Japan bahasa ni benar para benar sagarata kebangsaan His Excellency Roichi Ori, the Ambassador of Japan to the Federated States of Micronesia.
And next, Peterson, Foreign Secretary Roland Robert, dignitaries, and lastly, principals, company consumer institution staff, custodian. This supporting center for the persons in the groundbreaking ceremony for this center just 7 days after my arrival in 2016 June. And also this center is to support persons with different and many challenges. This is my personal story, but I'd like to tell you about 25 years ago when I was and my family were in New York. Our first daughter, eldest daughter, passed away because of cancer, and just after my daughter was diagnosed as malignant brain tumor, she took 3 times operations and many times very severe chemotherapy, radiation therapy, and after those treatment, my daughter needed rehabilitation. So in New York, my daughter received lots of support from American friends in New York for her rehabilitation and for her better life until her death. Next month, as 1st of May, current Crown Prince will become the Emperor in Japan. This year is 2019 in the Christian calendar year. But Japanese people are using at the same time using imperial calendar here. And the name of new era is Reiwa. Reiwa, Rei of Reiwa means beautiful. The Wa of Reiwa is that means the harmony, peace. So together, Rei and Wa, that means the beautiful harmony or peace. There are different people in any society, in Pompeii, in Japan, in any society. People with old age, young age, people with traditional titles, traditional title like Isunan Ken and me, Along from Nantuwas, and Governor Peterson. And there are people without any title. And there are people with disabilities or challenges, and the people without disability or challenges. But each people, different people should be treated as equal. So now it's not raining. The rain is pouring water to different plants, grass, trees, different places. But the rain is the same. So with the mercy and the grace of the heaven, rain, water, beautiful flowers, beautiful blossoms are coming out from different plants, grass, and trees. So like that, I really hope each people, with or without any challenges, will enjoy their lives in each community. So I wish, really wish, this complete center for supporting the people with challenges will make the meaningful uh, input to the better lives of those people. So having said that, I'd like to thank you, all the persons concerned, especially Consumers Association, for the completion of this facility for the needy people. Talang, and thank you very much.
Ngalan kong ambassador o tribal kan kesyang abot sa karata kansang kay sa matay kapnan ko ito.
Kailangan tayo sobar kubura ko yan kat wara mo yung takaratapan ko. Ay tungol wow lapan kuburan siya natin ngayon natin kasi volunteer o tapi totoo kasi ang paling murin sa wasin ranwat o tungol wow pan toke dahil sa kulmar na pala kay tika no loisyo servisyo and wayward so mas pilihan talagang o piliray lapalapay kan may Secretary Robert ito ang toke lapalapakan siya ng weekend meron kater pataygan ng legislature at meron wow turo toke rail me sa bulmar kita tungalan ki anan toror papa nono paninikan o trigers me eu pa kubur murun sa Washington. Please allow me to say a few words in our vernacular so those that do not understand English will have a better understanding of what we're trying to convey today. Ranwat niya try koros mangi patrowan me na isampa utangin niya ramas usapul man kita tunggulan ki anan ba wuksang okay ramas. Ari nintuan atail wiya tun waywat o kauno kat kitong trail satiskan na wata pay sarawat o kapgabengkan koros o pil kauno bilgat kitong trail puko trail yang siapa limanti ong melel tun waywat ranwat essential may yew puko trail me wiya kauno ko sinayan trail na papali paywat piliyay sa aramas me siapa limanti kita tumulan ki anan toro ranwat essential me aramas pukat kay rail yang patubang kubur yang agi papanono o paligan koros na kaniyang papali pukolak wat o time and punti ranwat katiwat wiyawi weki Thailand kak kasarawi dan pasiu bisa salah pur me sertar wiyawi ele tar silu samalaro o ranwat kay katpanapan kasarawi ritan dan paswat wen ka pali melalangan na miya ong tuwing puti ari niya sa water tayo bisa naman kapin wegi tayo tremamia me wiyak sa kise usang wi sapan me padpatro gini tala blok tuwagit sama we would me Wajagan try dia berkaitan dengan Kongres bercala rianan sama bil batang sawa strikan bakare yang dan password mereka imsak laran ranwat nia try uya kieu kan kubur atay karos sabulman git kaping kan kuburan nilap bagi sabulmar kosanti dakin toka melel sabul mararmas o bil niya sa water bil toka katin ranwat tayan tak katpana o sabul man kita tumulan ki karamal taparan wagi wasag shit na pangan napali sabul mararmasakan bil imsaklar o pantapta wiwi apupong melel right na sabul man kita tumulan ki anan toro research alma government of melel campaign Kamarain, kogi puko na pali aramas pukat, sang ni kosantiyo mapit special education. I-rail puko mapilikin apa pali sabal matay sirikan, weki ananakan ang kak apalta tan kampawat o enkak katayala sabal maray taray tungalangan, kwe uwaran ka kuya aramas katap long wayward. Ranwat dahil sa man kaping pangupuran kauno o kaping banto ka melel so 18 wayward wagi kosanti o kupur metoka wasak rentak santi yang nan waynet o iara penisyo kat o tapi kating ranwat dahil katineu pana o sabul man gitarambal o taran wagi ataipan rata tenta siu mata napali melel ria trail kan atail sabun matai kan tungolakan me ken ana sawas mel Philippine ngai nia ria Philippine man me tungolan kisiriman maranwat sompar ria set lemau seruka kumbagit seruka lokaya seruka kuya megot kueki ipukila someone rayo trend mia gretail mesutra yang mepenai na isu sabul man kita mon tapal bukat abil terma yang sabul man kita mon kisah mon bukat ranwat tay katneu pana o happen lagi sawas masang wi japan isang uli perdagangan Congress o palitigan Koros me katneu pana perka tay piti o wiyata o karya ranwat tatay kasakasara wita pasu. Ayemat yorelat neyman William Giti naililkit sa bulong mga ito na papali Pupon government o sa karagita ba Pupon. Isuran, Ambassador, Secretary Robert, ladies and gentlemen, in every society as members with disability or people with special needs, how the society treats the disabled, take care of them and help them reflects what kind of society we are. And so today we have gathered here to celebrate the efforts that all of us, traditional leaders, government leaders, Japan government, national government, all of the efforts that have come together to make this a reality. Today, we are here to dedicate this building for those who have special needs, especially our children who are born with disabilities or special needs. So today, the people of Pohnpei, we are very grateful for the gift that has given to this and also extended their support for this project so that today we can gather and dedicate this building for our people. Thank you very much.
Kailangan kong karena kaibahan kecil mas dapat phone kekasian ren mana government di Mr. Khalil. Sen. Ben mana kabul sudah mau. Mana ka po? Kuhaan sukset sa ibang in Parangatan Aport sa Karata. Ibang Sangred Parliament na Yei Olo na Chaplin President in County Consumer Organization o Imapil Founder in County TCO. Dari ibang patawan duka yang Mr. Neil Perez ang sa Karata. Moy o yang kapawanwat kayo iban bagawan ay tuwal sa kargaan kaping o wow ang kuburan sa mga kapala so bisa mo magkubur mo na yang dikain koros sangat sa isinahan kan wine net lapalabakan Oke, terawat hotel chorus. Kagian sabun man ketuan di ikan sabun meroson. Hotel empat pernah karabaran di kedawan bang. Ay tuan sekretaran wow bang kuburan senan dan wine Kabung di ketuan senan dan wine net. Kubiar ketin moleti molar. Dan kusap parabok. Kabatana ay tuan wow. Dan kuburan Florin Tarabo, kegiatan ket dan kusap Tarabo. So, sabun memikan dan kusap wet, nama ket tiamang. Ay tuan wow kabar dapat dan kuburan labalabagan, nelen kebenaran Wayne tuan pe, Ambassador Wayne Japan, His Excellency Roichi Korea. As I practice day and night, I learned to pronounce this hard name. I joined the previous speakers to pay my tribute to your president and your colleagues from the Embassy of Japan. Even Manuaniki kept on whenever national government may Ulan phone payment, ay waray lang retay. We did. Lang na sabon man ko tuhan di. Aban Warren, Masen the Padron. Look, hey, Lauren Robbins. Thank you for coming. Even when Thomas Warnigi, get to level up taken. Someone mentioned Ankan, Mr. Padawan, relevant government to Motsogan, then get a level up. Seven Momikan, Yomcholakan, Gurma, Iso, Sunanaim, Mariam, Senator Ned, then we are champion, actual champion and legislature, Nagin Yankit, Uchung, Opus, Ananagan, Misakin Padawan, and legislature. All of our Tagan, Mator, Mr. Padawan, our key answer. William Embassy in US, Pierre Bloom. Thank you for joining us today. Oh, Karusian, Maynala, Nilan Ketuat, India to Savun Tatak, the Kainamat. Amanda, 10 busword. Menda Gdail, the Kishang Sabaran Moniwat, when called the 10 busword. Ivanaki Sabat, buying book, Ishoka in one time. The dogwood, Kajak the dog. The dogwood, Kajak the dog, Nangan. Sail of wood, Bagi Daramas Malala, Bagi Shosam and Gak, make the difference. Then Daramas can make differently able, Mr. Kingabawan. Mr. the Mount the Donkey Lavilla is to label. Iman Badawan Sagar kita me sila kuat me apa? Mo kataw. Tagay gap kin kanabalap o kansi siwat. Ogi niyong bangkin paraga kiyang haramasaman. Utang kan pagkabamoy. Tagi sayamoy. Aban ka turo. O masama akong tong. Maniyan sa mga banso bisang. Aban ka kuya mas kamasabuyak. Sisa mo yan. Te Warren buat sisa ngomongin te Warren naging sa karumuy when kasi suwati yung sa kanaman natin ay may ganbarawan panawi ki yang ay kan bahan kinantoro na yung manaramas maganalian sili o itualan ki pali koy ganituan na uyawiyan ay dagudan I don't let me the donkey. Up should the bagel make it Namananki? Should the bagel make it a piece of our women patents on our mash pugat. We can open. American Kakan and Rhine Bow Rancons. Kalangan Kumai Ranwood with your man Ketto. Oh, we are shown Katete, and me and never took time and waited. A medal Kalangan Shoko. Pagi hari kerja ulikiti masa mau, anso mau, ukat tu bukan kat kelenganan, sakui, setakan ranut, bukan dia mau. Mara setukat ranut, abang orang-orang wasaksi, ya abang kakek dia marah-marah. Boleh, abang market tu, siang pagi, narain kupi, nak kita, narain susu. Iban Padoyan nga nag-still loganway, gusto Padoyan loganway. Kumal ko pura boyan ka, kami Padoyan rin, ebis kawawayang ral kan nagsawas, o ulit tumuli mag-gather time ko sa I would like to join the previous speakers to pay my tribute to honor the honorable guests that were invited to join us to celebrate the completion of the first ever field support center for persons with disabilities. It is a milestone for us people living with disabilities. After listening to your speech, Ambassador, I was kind of emotional of one time. So trying to put myself in your shoes, I feel emotional this morning. Thank you for expressing from your heart. There may be people in this gathering that may have wondered or questioned, why do we build this house here or this building here? I will tell you just a little bit, but before I do so, allow me to share with you a story. Two gentlemen from Fiji, from the jungle of Fiji, were hired to go and work in the United States. These two gentlemen, they never know about hotels. They never knew about elevators. I'm sorry, my friend from Fiji. After arriving in the United States, they were escorted to an hotel and were given keys to their room and instructed, take the lift, go up and find your room at the third level. These two gentlemen, they went and stared at the elevator lift. While standing there and staring at the elevator, waiting for the door to open, two old ladies walked by, the door opened, they enter and disappear. Still standing in front of the elevator, the door opened again, and two beautiful ladies walk out. And they turn to each other and say, wow, I wish we have our wife with us. So they can enter this door, come out beautiful. We dream of this building, just like the elevator. When you enter the door, you may be old, but when you come out, trained and empowered, you will be a completely different human being. Here's the way people look at us, people living with disabilities or without limbs or having impairment. They laugh, but they don't know what's in our heart. So I will challenge you today. But before that, don't think that we just borrow the money to decorate this piece of land. No, we have a purpose, which I just elaborated earlier. So I wish our witnessing this accomplishment that we witness today will not be forgotten. I try to find words that I can relate to Ambassador that can make him really, really happy. I could not find one. But I try to search in the internet. Then I come to a website where it said Japanese language 101. So I learned something out of that. Tomo arigato gozaimasu ka. This means the world for us, people living with disabilities. Now we have a home. We have a safe space to come together, talk, tell our stories, and advocate for our rights. Please, please, I beg you, from the bottom of my heart, don't look at our disabilities, but look at our abilities. That's why I don't want to use this word disability, but differently able human beings. We have the same rights that you have. Even though I don't have a limb, arm, I cannot see, I cannot clothe myself, I'm still a human being who owns the 30 articles of the human rights that we have all. United Nations. So let me conclude my speech by just to inform you that we had a census, recent census in 2010. The outcome for Pohnpei, we have 305,000 people living with disabilities. When you open the code or the legislation, you cannot find where we stand. So please, I challenge Governor from the state. Please review the Pohnpei Disability Act, file tax 30 tax and make it a reality. The region strategy slogan says, without us. The SDG says, the slogan says, leave no one behind. So please, don't leave us behind. If you ride by or walk by, check who is in that building. Say hello or as a name. Because we need to go. We need to go. Day and night. So that's conclude my short remark. Thank you very much. Pangalan ko po Rusian Moketto. Ilan Badawan, Kansabalaw Tagumangi, Mamie, actual patro, mom, the town of the Metrodecar, and that Taruta Tamatay, Siagan Pohnpei, and then Pagita Wow Karabara. Magasin Kubural. Agit, Aramasikin, Men Nansiyang, and that Patan, Siak, Kawaman, Womot. Atak todo second cook tadi. Jimat ay tuan sekarang kabarabat. O boran mat talban teklong dan senpas. Dan barawan teti. Ini negot memau remu. Pembelau takareti dan senpas ko. Tekating itu dan senpas ko. Dan kasaresan went south. The misword kan di mana under atau dan password dan password. Kauno and gajen kabay the forest matoyan and tawud ang forest. May the good Lord be with us all. Thank you. Laden. Mr. Perez, so ang sukses sa iba, ikat siya mo parang apat code, nag-ansang sa matay ambassador o sa pagmawurap, at magwurap.
Handing over ceremony of the next elementary school gym in front of Isonangke Match, Kamuna Peterson. We sang one song, Somewhere Over the Rainbow. So if the Isonangke allow us, I'd like to sing another song. Could you allow? In my speech, I said each and different people should make their flowers blossom beautiful. So today, we like to sing another song titled "The Rose." Some say love it is a river that's wider than the reed.
Some say it high, it is a river that leads to never
Taste
taste
that
that
chance. It's the
It's
one
the
who me taking and cannot seem to be. And the song afraid of dying that's never learned to live. When the night has been too lonely and the road has been too long, and you feel that love is only for the lucky and the strong. Just remember in the winter, far beneath the bitter snow, lies the sea that's with the sun's love in the stream. It comes
Thank you very much.
Dahil kakyan mga siya ulo. Sandar o... Kahit bahan kasinger. O kasinger ng nasin. Patuwad na nga. Sa pagbasahin. Nankin and Winnet. Kasinger ng sabon na nasin.
Ivan William Trail, Murin sa Waswat. Mo na Ivan William ti, miya wewe yung makoyang iya magana life. Ito ang rangot. Nawawa kitol tipon kar-karongan. San ni karabawat. Kan segera kuburan nila pan kating kubura. Tol piwat sunsak. Au tepan rangot. Segera kuburan kai-kai panarakso ko and tol piyu. Isunangan ko, dekan nanalak sa puso. Nankan ko, dekan nanalak nankaniyay ko. Nilangkan, nisaykan, petiwaykan, petisawkan, roropelkan, menririkan, meninpeitokan. Ang gating kukuras kahit koras. Go, usaw ko, tuon-tuon Ranwat, supplemental program you. Ngayon wili-wilian, child komakat ng Molanwao. When pattern program ni Usap, niya supplemental tapugin lang ang kubur karamal, kaping, umurahil kan, menlemetar, magkahil masa ni Ragin Leme, Renpa, o Ranwat sa Wiyawiyar. Kaping ang karusian, matimta, tatawagan Ranwat, septa kose-koseya, septa sakar kita, septa pilisang, paisang, uranwat kay katete, katawag at sikar pesanger, pun peren puliyo, ng kausak tarabak, winet, katawag ong, main pun pi korus, taramas korus, nananis sawas, animwat, kukusan sa buwet, ipepem, nakamail kan na pagkagi, kan kasamo. Episensal nan sakaratakan mawiwiyawi kapungkan koila len sapana kola len national government katawat kudila paligid maistul check una na babili la Amerika bon masota Amerika sota paligid karta bilman kapungan uliya ben US uliya ben Japan we have a national government. Sagulmen tuon pi chuntatak cabinet. Sagulmen tuon pi chuntatak legislature kan. Me yang patrang. Metewe wa uya o yang katete tatakan rango. Metodo ketail ka kosi uken takot kasyang balen wasat. Pwede essential ng sakaratagan. Kabinabil patawan, mayakot mapit sanini. May patawan, panini wasay ko sangi kahit igin sinaan ke. Salvador Riarte, Ria Sirapin sigit-sigatan ki pinang. Ibu yang araras magkonpagot. Ininin na nipok makalagan ininin anki estekak lokaya mau ap elimpok kain salatan ni tuun mese o magis karusin sabun men shobitin tuun pi toto ole badon me tuun ngin silipugi watawat me wiya tene patwadonan program okay, main kat jale talar. Pago. Ibang kawe wata. Pago. Amen. Na patro nan. Pinwat, pin naramas. Kasi ang balwat. Kutagaman. Buti. Tungol paluar usang tungol mangor dalaw sila. Dalaw sila. At kapatulang manwini, kata-kata ki, estegak, elalaw sila. Magkaburiyamu, rane, wag kami sa letala. Rampadro ba ang kuburan isyo? Usakar kita, isyo. Sa bulmar, pakolong man. Kapin sa letala, yaramer rakat sila. Sebab ni important. Kamu ya? Jeraman dekat lapor. Suatu punya beberapa mangalau pun terbiasa. Jadi yang penting itu sedekah. Likin kay kawawa choror inda ay minarama sarawi men so de tipe wa siyang peren kita magdel peren siyang lokaya siwit siyang mukit siwit hangga isra sar begini mari dami wirano ikuwase kapasmar wono iruwase all one man na sai kapasmar mai kapasmar na Narjada Murid. Uyawi, chorus sang bene, karanganum, dapelan the dog uyawi, uyawi not usap, masa nang usap taraba. Iraida, sang bene, di sekitar kami kesempatan lagi, yang karanganum yang bali cerita. Rawat nang usap taraba. Jadi wasan sewase. Kawan, mai teman-teman yang berdoa lebih dulu. Patolong ala. Milau Triamen, Corito, Liga Civil Triamen. Nawawagi, Yimwat, Wasan, Afali, Aramas Koros, Me, Kak, Momo Kaiga Kasawi, Ababan, Purisam, Kasitamia, Tungol Namalam, Tungol Mongyong, Mia Mergot Kap, Mia Mergot Kababan, Patuani Dosam. Karena ini kesempatan. Sobat di luar tidak penet yang lagi kronin terabap. Kapengki katakwat pasantuat ewyal efelven. Wipakon patronan kosap terabap. Di kabar-kabar ikut program puasa mengenai penelitian. Essential में tel ket memuat tel ket content itu kesempatan mak tel ket content dan imperseke dan mete tak harapan dalam saya ya kesempatan sang kawasan saya memuat ni ada tak apa on solusi Ikalap ko siya, ikalingar-ngar ng mga isapan. Karabe, Rautan, uya kawala, tabak kalaba ka. No ka. Re, munaon karyawo. Tapi katarla siyang mingkitia, katarla ko siya, mela mo, uya taray suyo, simenteryo. Kaya itong rat. Me, uyawi. Saya sudah melihat tahu, amudah lorong, amudah kelang rawat, usang, oleh apa kata lawan, hari atau kau saya masih mula. Asyik kita baru mata dapat nono kau, orang kau yang kain, saya kan nenden itu pilih lang siapa, asyik what, karena rela dah wasang jombir. Rawiyata Thailand betaki konti. Song soto met wese puin dalam masih met soto le me sawatan ano ko yan. Kola upatreng kan meruk ulen. Kayu ka may butiwan kanan toro sebeli bola len kesambar. Utpasang Nareta ibil batang kumail kome uyuya kapung on government in Japan. Shortly, I will join those that have expressed their thanks to the foreign governments that have been helping us. Of course, United States, because without United States, without compact, there will be no collector, no president, no Congress. Remember that? And then, for the project that we are now celebrating the Ambassador of Japan, on behalf of the people of Thornby, I would like to express our sincere appreciation not only for this building, but I was just mentioning, like airports, roads, gyms, and other projects that you have given so much. And I know you are also planning to do more, right? Now that Namargi of Medani have given you a title, that is the last name of that title is Nantawas. Well, you're kind of responsible for that area too now, right? I think there is something behind this. Isatao has a plan, so to the ambassador. We'll see what comes up. Okay, Harry. And it's very wonderful to, wow, this is great. Japanese singing American songs. Wow. Can you sing Japanese songs? This is important. This is important. 1941, you guys were fighting so much. Now you're singing, looking at each other, helping the UFSM. That's a big change, right? Congratulations. Yemet Tukur, Yemet Masen, Herreri.
Kailangan kumpulin suko. Oh, hansuk set. Saya bangkit sing hansuk kesambal gay. Rebel cutting oh iban pacawan. Lukayang.
Adam, hurry, hurry.
Yes. Ko anan yung school na kan pacawan la sisetu. Well, Leon, di ba pa siyang rebeno?
Siyan mo nga pila ka. Come to the middle. Yeah.
1, 2,
Good.
3.
Hai kaiban kacang kan sabil matay item nan sabil matay program yay daw yung kansang one button Orlando.
Belpagi kupur koros kalkata. Na o kalangan NFL count Jesus Christ. O limplok lapalat and samatal court. O atay eupene. Kan kami namin in ngayon sarawi. and katin kapayata. Wasan ta kapwat o yeyan pokon showat. Sang net o pinpan ko ko lata showtu. Horuskit.
So po, kayo sa matry program na sukses to
may nansuot. O tatlong masani patungan.
Vale.